Hi, welcome to my channel once again. This is Money Payout, and today we are going to learn how to make money from $6 up to $10 a day without doing any hard work or any tedious tax online. And even meanwhile, you even do all the tax. Yours is you just do some few clicks and what you want is done. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe and also click on the like button. Guys, it really helps with YouTube's algorithm. Right, so without wasting time, let us move straight into our tutorial. So as you are aware, the first step is for you to launch your web browser and go to google.com. Remember, google.com, and type in the search bar Fives Crate, like Fibers Crate, right? So Five Crate. Now when we search for it, it says that start a business for a Fiverr in UK. So this is a Fiverr in UK, or this is the UK version of Fiverr. Now, as aware of Fiverr is a freelancing website whereby we tend to post jobs, and when you're able to accomplish the tax, you are paid, right? But this is the UK version, and for the UK version it's a little different from the Fiverr we know. So here we buy, sell, or request services for €5. So for the €5, just as the Fiverr, you have to join. Now the fun part is that you can do this in any country of your choice. So the first thing is you have to click on the join, but before we click on the join, let us look at something here. So as you can see, they pay €5 and above. Now, so anything that they do here, guys, is €5. Now watch everything and above. You won't see €2 or below. This is what we are going to look for. Call mockup. Now guys, mockup is just like logos, but this is the one that it is designed on cars, on shirts, on walls. So for example, these are some of the mockup that people do here. Now they charge $5 to $10, guys, and this, you can see that these designs are a bit difficult, but I'll show you how to create this without doing anything. Yes, so you don't need any skill or any special editing skills to perform this design or create this design. So you can see this guy will create a logo on your apparels and will charge how much? €5 for it. But meanwhile, this is something easy that you can do by just some few clicks, guys. So we are going to now go through how to create free mockups without paying anything, and the website is placeit.com. So this is a site that will make you create an unlimited mockup for free. So yours is you just post your lancing at the website, then you just come to place it right and create your free mockup from there, give it to them, and you make your money. So when you open place it on your browser, go to mockups, and because it's a free thing, you go to free mockups. So every mockup here is free, guys. You won't pay any money for all these mockups. You can create it for things like shirts, for mugs, for so many things, right? So Here there's one for coffee cup, coffee mug, face masks, right, hat, hoodie, Instagram, and guys, they are entirely free of charge. So for this one, let's rather go to the cafe mug. Then when it loads, guys, let us move down a little or even scroll down, and let's see some of the mugs. Mug now guys, maybe you can even receive an order that they want a picture or a logo on their cap, so you just choose the cap, right? Example, this lady, and click on it. So when you click on it, then you move to this option that says insert image here. So tap on insert image and go to upload from device. Then example, this is my logo that I want to insert here on the mug, right? So you can either increase or zoom it a little this way, then you crop it. So after the cropping, you just wait a little for the image to be uploaded on the system, and then voila, guys, you can see the logo on the cap nicely. So you can email them just with this and you make your money right away. After, you just go to free download, and then you just download your free image with no watermark, guys. Isn't this fun and very simple, guys? So if you have any comment, guys, please comment beneath and I will answer all the needed questions. So guys, thank you very much for watching to this end and have a lovely day.